What is going on, internet? As you can see, I am here with my 911 Carrera 4, and I have this headlight polisher kit. Can you see where this video is going? The headlights on this are just dreadful. The person who owned it before me had the car sitting for a long time. The headlights, they're just baked. They probably need to be replaced just altogether, but I wanted to see what this would do. This is the cheapest headlight polishing kit from O'Reilly, and I wanted to see what like a $9 kit would do to some very old headlights that need to be polished or replaced. So yeah, let's get the car started and see what we got. Okay, so unfortunately you guys are gonna have to bear with me while I learn this process because I have never polished headlights before. So this will be the first attempt. I'm thinking from just what I've seen on the internet, I probably should tape all around the headlight. That I'm not, well, I might not actually, just because this paint needs to be replaced anyways. You probably saw some rock chips in what I've already showed you so far of the car. I might vinyl wrap it, we'll see, but yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so let's see what this comes with. Okay, so we got lens base coat wipe. These, which I assume are some type of grit. Nice. Lens sealing wipe. Nice. And the spray lubricant and the clarifying compound. Let's go. Okay, let's keep going. So it says if it's not clear, proceed to step 2A. So let's get the green polishing pad out and start scrubbing at it. What is this? This feels like a really high grit sandpaper. It's very smooth. Let's see. So it wants us to use a back and forth motion. We're basically just sanding the entire thing down and then increasing the grit as we go up to get that shine out. So I'm going to actually just spray it all over. And now we're sanding. Oh yeah! I actually feel like this will help. All this, so you guys can see where we're at. Pulling up a lot of gunk. Keep it wet. We don't want to do this dry. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let's see what it says. Flip it to the tan side and go in the opposite direction. Keep it wet. Now we're doing a higher grip and we're going this way. Go to this sandpaper. Boom, that's easy. We just keep moving our way up the grits. I like this kit's actually not bad. So we start with the teal. Okay, just finished up the final grit, and now it says we gotta dry it with a cotton towel and do the lens compound again. So, there's my cotton towel. Really didn't do that much, if I'm being honest. There is a difference. I mean, that one's obviously a lot cleaner, and I did clean this one, but I haven't polished it yet. But I mean, that's not bad. I mean, for $9. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm gonna do the other headlight now. Okay, I just finished up this headlight. Honestly, the results are really not that spectacular. Maybe you guys could see better in the before and after videos. It looks alright. I mean, it's not awful. To no fault of the polisher kit, the headlights do need to be replaced. I mean, they've just been baked so badly. But I mean, if your headlights are in good condition already and you just need a little, buff, this kit would probably be pretty good.